In today's video, I'll show you how to get the Stumble Guys mod menu completely free. It works on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see on your screen, this mod gives you access to all the in-game hacks, including unlimited gems and tokens for both platforms. There are tons of features available, such as unlocking all emotes and skins, unlimited gems and tokens, custom animations, unique footsteps, and much more. Before you begin, make sure your Stumble Guys app is updated to the latest version. To do this, just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. Next, head to the pinned comment below this video. There, I'll explain exactly where and how to download Stumble Guys++. If this method works for you, don't forget to leave a like. That's it for today. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.